Okay, boom, let's get right into this. Today I'm showing you how I easily apply my press-on nails. First, I'm just going to buff away the shininess on my nails because one, if you don't take away the shininess, then it is going to not stick to your nails. Today I'm going to be using some regular press-on nails that I got from the beauty supply store and some glue. But yeah, right now I'm just filing away the shine. I'm making sure to get all up close to my cuticles and making sure I get all up in the corners with a personal nail drill. I got this nail drill from a nail supply store, like honestly a nail supply store. You just go in Google Maps, you type in nail supply store, make sure it doesn't take you to a beauty supply store, and you can get all your nail supplies for the low. That is honestly how I do my nails now, since I'm not going to the nail salon. So here are my nails. I got these from Walgreens, I think, and they are just the Kiss brand. They do have stones on them, and the reason I'm doing this application so quickly is because I have work in a couple of days, so these nails are not going to stay long. They're literally just on so I can do a video. I literally just take them on and off. So I'm showing y'all that they have a sticky tab on the back. The sticky tab is what makes them so much easier to take on and off, because when it is time to remove them, all I do is literally slide it off my finger and they come right off. They don't stay on for long. They just come right on off. I just peel off the tab on the back. It exposes the stickiness, and then I just stick it on my nails. That's literally it. I do make sure to brush away some of the dust from me drilling my nails, but that's it. My fingers are a little bit smaller. Even though they do look pudgy, they are a little bit smaller. So I usually go for 2s on my thumbs, 4 on some of my fingers, and 4 is usually on my middle finger. 8 is usually on my pinky, so just thinking that 2, 4, 6, 8, those are usually what I put on my fingers, and they are the perfect size. They fit well. There's no space in the middle, there's no space at the top, no space on the sides. They literally cover up my whole nail. But the way I apply these is I just put them on, I stick them, I press on hard, and they stay. I think within the 2 days that I did have these on, they literally only one came off on its own because I was just being silly with it. But later on, I'm gonna show y'all that they have a really strong hold. I don't know how I was able to pluck one off, but but they have a really strong hold. I really can do anything with them. Just the day it came off I was just doing crazy ass stuff. But yeah, you guys, if you like this video today, please go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and also leave me a comment. Here I'm just showing y'all the nails and how they all came out. I tried to match pointer to pointer and middle to middle, but as you can see, my pointers are 2 totally different nails, but all the rest of the nails are the same. Yeah, they're really cute though. Alright, like I said, subscribe, come back to my channel, watch all my other videos, and I'll see y'all again. Bye.